So here we're scrolling through this document that I've already shown you. It does have some different cluster names than what the actual lab manual has, but that's okay because we all have them on this document. So what I'm going to show you is how to complete this lab in Word without having to print anything or anything. So here you're just going to go to the photo properties. You're going to format the picture. It's at the very bottom. Brings up this little menu. You go all the way over here to where it says picture transparency, and you turn that up to whatever transparency you want. I like 70 because I like round numbers. Then you're just going to drag it down with you until you get to one of the pictures that you need. Now before you put it over top of the picture, go to the other picture that you're going to need. Go to this option right here. You're going to want to pin it in place so that it can't move. And then you're going to bring your overlay down, line up the zeros just like we showed you in the video, and then just move your overlay vertically. Do not move it horizontally. So move it vertically. Went a little too high there, if that's okay. Just make sure those zeros are lined up, and you bring your overlay up until it fits right along the bottom of your cluster. So that is all of how to do this. You don't really need any other information. The rest of it is in my other video. Thank you.